people who deal with riba. Yes, the proof that the Prophet ﷺ dealt with a Yahudi, and it was common that the Jews deal with riba. Okay, so there is a person who has money, okay, but he has a job, normal job, a teacher, for example, engineer, a doctor, and also he's dealing with riba, he's doing business with riba. Can I lend him money? Can I borrow money from him? Yes. For example, if I know that he needs the money for something normally, for a treatment, okay, or to buy food for him, this is okay. But for example, if he asks me money for something haram, and he told me that he wants to do something haram, of course I should not help him.